5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday sa puso ng Peace FM, isang taong mapagbigay, positibo at may malasakit sa kapwa. Ngayon, sabay-sabay babati ang iyong mga kaibigan, mahal sa buhay, co-DJs at admins. You truly deserve all the love today.
Hello, good morning, DJ Joans. Happy birthday. Healthy birthday. Wishes to you and your family. A healthy birthday. God bless you always. May the guidance of the Lord be with you always and your family. Always with your family, not only for you, okay? So once again, happy birthday. A 35th birthday, I think so. Yeah? So, mga chuk-chuk from Peace FM na maganda. Hey!
Happy birthday, Baby Johns. Wishing you all the best in life at sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng magandang kalusugan, hindi lamang sa pangangatawan, kundi na rin sa puso at isipan, at gabayan ka niya sa araw-araw mong pamumuhay at marami pang kaarawan na darating sa iyo. And thank you so much, Baby Johns, sa iyong time, sa pag-apa on air, sa pagbigay ng biyaya. Thank you so much for sharing your blessings. And sabi ko lang sa iyo ay ingatan ang kalusugan, ingatan ang sarili, at marami pang kaarawan ang darating sa iyo, at marami pang taong iyong mabigyan ng biyaya. Thank you so much, Lady Jones, sa iyong time sa radyo, na lagi kang nagbibigay saya at ngiti sa mga puso ng mga taong nagpipig-hati. Thank you so much, Lady Jones. At in behalf po ng staff ng Team Alongas DJs at ng mga staff ng radyo ni Maytinggaho, ako po ulit-ulit ay bumabati sa iyo na maligayang kaarawan, at hindi ko sasabihin mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo, dahil minsan gusto man natin kung hindi na dyan, hanggang dyan lang tayo. So ang masasabi ko lang, Lady Jones, mabuhay ka hanggat may hangin na lumalabas sa iyong hininga. Once again, happy birthday, Lady Jones. May the Lord guide and bless you always. At thank you so much ulit sa iyo. At happy birthday. Enjoy your special day and God bless. Ano ang radyo mo? Peace FM. Playing the song for every moment. Happy birthday, CEO founder Daisy Jones. Bye-bye. Thank you so much and enjoy. God bless.
Good day, everyone, and today is the special day of Mr. Jones Sparkle, one of our CEO of Peace FM. Happy birthday, DJ Jan Sparkle, and we, the 2.8 Heart of Paradise Island FM, want to bid you a happy birthday from the bottom of our heart. And of course, we wish you all the best, more success and more blessings to come. And of course, don't forget to put God at the center of your life and always pray. At lagi mo talagang tandaan na ingatan mo ang iyong sarili at ang iyong health. Salamat at naging member ako ng iyong himpilan, at sana marami ka pang matulungan. And thank you for sharing your blessings to all of us. And every time na umaapa ka sa paraiso, lagi mo kami pinapasaya, nakapaglukuhan ka at nakapaglukulitan na yan ang aming ang pinaka-proud sa'yo, kasi you're such a great DJ na kayang sabayan ang lahat ng tagapakinig sa kanya. And thank you for playing our requested song anytime we requested you a song. And of course, lagi lagi mong tatandaan na we always here to listen and idolize you, and of course, all of your listeners love you so much, especially all Peace FM listeners and members. Once again, DJ Jones Sparkle, enjoy your day and have a blessed day, and of course, enjoy your special day. Greetings coming from DJ Aquaker.
To Jones, happy birthday. Ako sabihin na Rem Rubrizana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Hi, DJ Papa Jones. Happy birthday. This is DJ Cara from your station, Peace FM. I just want to say thank you for welcoming me as one of the DJs in your station. And I truly appreciate for the opportunities and the support. I know everyone po wishing you a good health and more birthdays to celebrate and countless blessings. And I'm joining them in that prayer po because you truly deserve it and more. Happy birthday again po, and God bless you always.
Alright, my name is Papa Jack. Gusto kong batiin ng happy birthday ang aking kaibigan na si Papa Jones. Wish you all the best and good health. More blessings to come. Enjoy your day. At mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Maraming salamat. Peace out. Much love.
Happy birthday, Daisy Jones. Wish you more birthdays to come and have a good health always. God bless and enjoy your day.
Hello po, sir. DJ Jones, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo at more blessings to come. I wish you a good health. Ayan.
Alright guys, ito po ang inyong kaibigan kakampi, ang inyong kasangga na si DJ Wewel, na bumabati ng isang magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. At binabati po natin ngayong araw ng June 20 ang ating si owner founder na si DJ Jones ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Ayan. At mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Basta always ingat, good health. Ayan. Be safe. Ayan. At yun, mag-enjoy ka. And tumagal pa ang iyong himpilan ng radyo. Marami ka pang mabibigyan ng saya. And thank you very much, my big bro, Jonathan Evalete. And I love you.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday sa gwapo at mabait na CEO, founder, owner ng Peace FM Radio, DJ Jones Ibarrete. Binabati po kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Naway patuloy ka pa pong pagkalooban ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at kalakasan ng pangangatawan. And marami pang kaarawan ang iyong ipagdiwang together with your family and good health always. And maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagbibigay kasiyahan at inspirasyon sa aming mga listeners, and thank you rin po sa palaging pag-share po ng iyong blessing sa aming mga listeners. And si Lord na po ang bahalang magbalik ng siksikliglig at umaapaw na blessings at pagpapala ang inyo pong makamit mula sa itaas. And enjoy nyo lang po ang araw na ito together with your family. And ingat po palagi. God bless always.
Happy birthday, DJ Jones. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday
To you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Jones. Happy birthday.
Ako po'y lubos na bumabati kay DJ Jones ng happy blessed birthday po. Wish ko po nawa po marami pa pong kaarawan ang dumating po sa inyo at malusog po na pangangatawan sa araw-araw, mailayo po kayo sa kapahamakan at anumang sakit. At lagi po kayong gagabayan ni Papa God, lalo po sa work. Again, happy blessed birthday po DJ Jones. Enjoy po sa inyong kaarawan at more blessing pa po sa inyo. Thank you.
Nice ko lang batiin ng happy 35 birthday ang aming butihing idol DJ Jones ng CEO owner ng Peace FM. Idol, no more drama, direct to the point. Happy 35 birthday stay, 53 birthday. Sana mas marami ka pang birthday na i-celebrate at sana hindi ka magbabago sa amin. Maraming salamat sa sipag at tiyaga mo na nagtuturo sa akin at higit sa lahat, thank you so much sa tiwala mo na ibinibigay mo po sa akin. At lagi mong tatandaan, idol, mahal ka namin. God bless and we love you. Once again, happy 53 birthday, 35 birthday, idol.
Happiest birthday, DJ Jones. Wish you lot of health and happiness, more birthday to come. Also, thanks to Peace FM Radio and God bless.
Behind every great broadcast is a leader, a generous heart, and a humble spirit. And that is you, CEO Radio Honor, Founder, Jonathan Everette, aka DJ Jones on Air, or Mr. Sparkles. Thank you so much for standing with me, believing in me, and supporting me even no one else is listening while I'm on air. Have a happy birthday, as beautiful as your character. May God bless you and may God grant all your wishes come true. This is Angel Heart from Attica, Greece, wishing you a happy blast.
FM family, I want to say happiest birthday to my bro, Didi Jones, on air, of course. Long life and more blessings to come. And thank you so much sa mga blessings na binigay mo rin sa amin, na nag-share ka ng blessings. Napaka-generous mo na brother. So, once again, happy birthday, my dear brother, Didi Jones, on air. This is your Kimi Tora at your service. Bye!
Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa lahat. Ako po si Lisa Olaso na bumabati po ng happy birthday sa ating radio owner ng Peace FM na si DJ Jones Ibarrete. Ang tanging ko pong kahilingan para sa kanya ay isang malusog na pangangatawan, maraming blessing at gabayan palagi ni Lord sa mga desisyon sa buhay at pakaingatan ng buong pamilya. Maraming salamat din po sa pagtanggap po sa ating radio station na ating radio na ito bilang member. Thank you rin po sa lahat ng mga DJ na umaapak sa radio station ng Peace FM Radio. Muli po, ako po si Lisa Olaso na bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan po sa iyo, DJ Jones. Nawa po ay pagpalain ka pa po ng maraming blessing and mag-ingat ka po palagi. God bless.
Hello! Happy birthday to the most amazing person. May this year bring you happiness and success that you deserve, because this day is as special as you are. Thank you for the kindness, for being understanding to everyone in everything. Mabuhay ka pa ng mahabang-mahaba. Clap to another year. Happy birthday, Jones.
To our very own Radio Honor, CEO Founder of Peace FM, DJ Jones on Air, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana ay matupad mo ang lahat ng iyong mga pangarap, no? And of course ay good health always, and syempre manatili ka kung ano at sino ka ngayon. Sana ay hindi ka magbabago sa amin. Alam mo naman kung gaano kami lahat kakukulit, and syempre ay may mga pamangkin din akong mga makukulit, no, na palaging mga pasaway dito sa akin. So sana ay panatilihin ang ugaling nakakaintindi palagi sa iyong mga tauhan, lalong-lalo na sa mga nandyan lang palagi. And of course ay maraming salamat sa iyo sa lahat ng mga tulong at syempre sa mga payo mo sa akin palagi, anong gagawin on air or whatever. Maraming salamat at sana marami ka pang matulungan na kagaya ko na gustong mag-learn pa rin sa pagiging desk jockey dito sa mundo ng online radio, na ang mundo ng online radio na sabi nila ay masaya dati yon, pero ngayon ay di ba nakikita naman natin kung ano yung mga naging naging changes, but thankful pa rin ako. Nandito ako sa Peace FM at nandito ang pinaka the best na radio kasi nandito yung ano ba yan tawag doon, yung peaceful environment. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Again, happy birthday, and wish you all the good luck, and of course God bless to you, and make your day happy
happy birthday to you. And thank you so much for everything. And ingat-ingat palagi. Thank you.
Hello. I want to say happy birthday. Parang kailan lang, no? Birthday mo na naman ulit. And sana, wish ko sa'yo na magkaroon ka ng marami pang kaarawan na isa-celebrate at para mag-bless mo pa ang maraming tao sa ating station. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you, DJ Johns. You be filled with joy, laughter, and success. Of course, good health as well. And once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. God bless. Mama, may chup-chup pa.
Hi, good evening. Ito po si DJ Maki. Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Ako ay bumabati ng isang happy birthday sa ating DJ Jones on air. Ayan, isang maligayang kaarawan po sa iyo, DJ Jones. And wishing you more birthdays to come, more blessings to you at para sa iyong pamilya. At syempre, good health para sa iyo. At ayan, so, Peace FM!
Hello, Mr. Sparkles, Jones on Air. This is King Don J here in Peace FM playing the song for every moment. Just want to say happy birthday to you. May you have many more birthdays to come. Magpakanton ka naman! Diba? Happy birthday, Mr. Sparkles!
And again, happy birthday, DJ Jones.